Hey, what's up, everybody? This is CryptoShegz, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to fund your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet or whatever wallet it is you're using. You know, so understand the basics. It doesn't have to be from Binance to MetaMask. It can be from Coinbase. It can be from KuCoin. It can be from any centralized exchange to your wallet. And the wallet doesn't have to be MetaMask. It can be Trust wallet. It can be Phantom wallet. It can be Solet. It can be any wallet, right? It can be a Tezos wallet. It can be Temple wallet. You know, so whatever wallet it is, just understand the basics. So the first thing you want to do is sign up into your Binance. So signing up into your Binance just means that you go to Binance.com, you put your name and you put your email and password, and then they're going to ask you for some details. They're going to ask you for some details. I suggest you do full verification, and doing full verification means giving them some of your documents. But it just lets them know that you are a human being and that you're not a criminal and that you are ready for them to see your identity, you know, right? So once you do full verification, it may take a while, take a couple of days. You get to like fund your wallet, okay? And moment in Nigeria, for instance, at the moment we're using P2P to fund because we can't use banks, but that's not the essence of this video. Now, assuming that you have done all of that and you want to fund your MetaMask wallet. So you're moving money, you have already put money on Binance, you're moving money from Binance into, say, another wallet like MetaMask. What you're going to do is come to Fiat and Spot. So once you come to Fiat and Spot is where you're going to see all the currencies you're trading and all the fiat value and the BTC value as well. And then to do that, it's very simple. You just click withdraw. So when you click withdraw, then you see BTC here. You can change this. If it's MetaMask and you want to fund with Ethereum, you can change this to whatever currency you're funding with. So in this case, it's Ethereum. You can put Ethereum here. And once you select whatever it is, let me just use another any it doesn't matter, any currency really. Put it there. But in this case, okay, let's go ahead with Ethereum, because we're funding MetaMask. So you select Ethereum and then you choose your address, MetaMask, just pick your address and then you put the amount you want to transfer and then you do the transfer. In my own case, it's a little bit more complicated than that because I have several layers of security. So for instance, if I want to transfer money, it will ask me for my email. It will send a code to my email. It will send a code to my phone, and then I'll do Google two-factor authentication. Those are just the 3 steps I've put in place to make it difficult for anybody to hack my account. So once you do that, you can put your MetaMask wallet and send. Now with Binance, one thing I've done is address management. If you click on this place, it will take you to a place where you can actually just put in different addresses so that when you want to fund them quickly, you don't have to be, you know, cutting and pasting addresses. So if you look at this in my own case, I have my Ethereum wallet on Trust Wallet and I have my Ethereum wallet on MetaMask. So I can just select either one if I want to do, any transfer. So once you do that, you put the amount and then you click send and it goes. It's really that simple. All right. So what I want to do in this case is I want to buy a Bruce Lee memorabilia NFT. So I'm going to move money from my uh, Binance in MetaMask. I'm going to move it to my Binance on my wallet here. When I say my Binance in MetaMask, I mean my BNB coin, BNB token. I'm going to move it to my BNB wallet and Binance. So I'm going to come to Fiat and Spot again. This time around, instead of doing withdraw, I'm actually going to be depositing into this wallet. Okay, so I'm not clicking withdraw, I'll click deposit. So it says I'm clicking that. I'm not using fiat because, like I said earlier, in Nigeria, they banned us from using fiat. I cannot use cash to pay. So I'll come here and I'll select BNB. So I select BNB. So it's saying I should choose a network. Now, for the network I'm choosing, I'm going to choose Binance Smart Chain. And why am I choosing Binance Smart Chain? Because if you come into my MetaMask, I have configured my MetaMask, and I have included Binance Smart Chain there. So if you look at it, this is Smart Chain. If I click on this place, for instance, see all the configurations I've done. I can do Ethereum, I can do GoChain, I can do IOTX, I can do EOS, I can do MetaMedium, I can do XDAI, I can do Phantom, I can do Huobi, I can do Avax, and this is Smart Chain. This does not come with MetaMask. The only thing that comes with MetaMask is Ethereum and a few of these ones, like all these Ubiq network, all these ones that are like testing. So I mean, and Matic mainnet, I have configured Matic mainnet, Smart Chain, Avax, Huobi, XDAI, Phantom, and GoChain and IOTX, and then US mainnet as well. I did that manually by myself. So in this case, I'm picking Smart Chain, and this is where it is. So the money here is configured to do Binance, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this address. Boom. So I'm copying this address from my Binance, and I'm taking it back into MetaMask, but the Binance Smart Chain that has been configured to work with MetaMask, right? So I'm going to move that. Okay, so I'll come to send. Okay, send, because I'm sending the money, and I'm taking that money and I'm putting it here. I'm pasting that wallet address here, so you can see, so I've pasted it. It has clicked that it's a correct address, so I can click next. Right, so when I click next, it says 0.0115 BNB, and I click confirm. So it's going to move. Wait a minute, I didn't choose. Okay, reject. So I got carried away. Okay. So I'll choose reject, because I did not put the value. I'm transferring a certain amount, and I didn't put the value. That's because I got carried away. I'm actually rushing because I want to buy that thing by 6 o'clock Nigerian time. So I want it to reject. Okay, so I can come back here, and okay, so it says send. I'll click send again. I'll put that here. I'll paste that. So it says that. So here is where I'm going to put the amount. So I'm doing 2 BNB, or maybe 2 point something BNB, 2.05 BNB. Okay, so I'll click next. So you see that's 2.05. See, I'm still paying the same amount in gas. All right, so I'll click confirm. And what is going to happen is it's going to move this money from, it's going to move. So it's saying pending here. So it's going to move this money from my wallet, and it's going to send it to my Binance account. All right. So what I have also done is this: I have a cold wallet where the bulk of my crypto is, and the reason why I do that is because I don't want. It's on the cold wallet. I don't want. I want it to be in my control, basically. All right. So this one is I have some money that I use for trading here, but it's lessening my risk anyway. So that's how you see it has moved the money. So I can come back here, and I'll come to wallet again. I'll click fiat and spot, and I just want to be sure that it has done the transfer. If it has done the transfer, I will see that money. I will see that money in my BNB. So as I'm looking at it now, it hasn't really changed anything. So I'm waiting for it to drop that money into my. All right, as you can see, it has dropped it. Right, it's dropped it. So I have about $1,000 there, and that's how to fund your Binance wallet and how to withdraw from your Binance wallet. Right, so that's me done. CryptoShegz signing out. I wish you all the best in your NFT journey. Right, boom.